this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, this morning I'm drinking some wonderful coffee that was brought to me by my husband this morning. So I just want to say thank you, Hugh, for the coffee. He knows exactly how to make my coffee. Today I am picking one lucky winner to win this bag. How nice. This bag of, I think it's yarn inspirations, yes. Little sample yarns. It's just adorable. And this thing, well, here we go. It goes that way. And one little shawl pin. And this beautiful little thing that hangs. All right. Oh, and a sticker. And all this beautiful yarn right here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and pick the winner for this. I'm so excited to see who this is going to be. Okay, it is Carla S. And Carla says, wow, that is a lot of beautiful yarn. Thank you so much. You are a gem. Thank you so much, Carla. I appreciate that. Okay, so everyone, make sure that you say congratulations in the comments. I will be having another giveaway. Hopefully next week I will have my grandson so I'm not sure exactly when I can get one up, but I'm going to try. I've already got a box of yarn pulled out for it, so I do plan on having another. Ooh, I just got an Etsy sale. Did y'all hear that? Someone just bought a pattern off my Etsy shop. If you didn't know that I sell patterns, go to Pamela's Adoring Crochet on Etsy. The link is in the description box below, and purchase some patterns. I have everything, especially doll clothes. So, but I have things, wearables and things too. So, but if you're looking for doll clothes, I mean, I have the Wizard of Oz set. I have the Harry Potter set. I have Tinkerbell. I have all kinds of, I don't know, all the costume type clothes. Yeah, I've even got, what is his name? Yoda, Baby Yoda, all that. So Star Wars characters, just go look on my site. Okay. Anyway, so Carla, you need to email me at psbarton99@sbcglobal.net. You have 1 week to get back with me. And when you send me an email, I will send you a congratulations email back and giving you a special word so that you can go in and edit this winning comment right here. And I will have you to add a word to that comment. And then you will email me back telling me that you've done that. And if you don't know how to do that, I do have a video showing how to edit your comments. So, and if you need me to, I can send you the link to that, if you need me to. But yeah, that's all you've got to do. And you got 1 week, next Friday. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys for entering my contest or my giveaways. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all the wonderful comments that you leave me in these on these giveaway videos. Very nice. And Carla, that was a very nice thing for you to say that you think that I'm a gem. I love that. Thank you so much. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.